based up in Auckland, based in Waikato, and so the word of Kura Te Kumara, grapevine, was faster than the letter when the message got down to certain people within the groupings, that being Kiriopa's Paimari group. So hence Kiriopa came down, intermingled with the locals. One was being Mokomoko, and the other Tupuna here in Whakatoria. But knowing he went directly to Mokomoko and told him what had happened, and so here in Whakatoria they had a lot of synthesizers about what happened to his family. And so he did say that Faulkner will be the next one, to be killed.
Kiriopa said that?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Mokomoko hearing that warned Faulkner not to come back. And others within Whakatoria, other leaders within Whakatoria also told Faulkner his next trip up to Auckland was for him to stay there and never to return back to Pōtiki. So he was pre-warned. If he comes back, it's going to happen. So therefore, when Faulkner come back, the Paimari group with Kiriopa turned up, and it took Mokomoko's rope, because Mokomoko did not want to be part of that lynching mob, and stayed away from Kiriopa and his group. And therefore, when Kiriopa went to pick up Faulkner, took him to a tree and hung him. And then after that, he took out his eyes and ate his eyes too. So Kiriopa still feeling the pain of what happened to his family. The reason he turned on Faulkner. And therefore, after that, it's all written in history that military force will be coming up here from Taranaki. The people already knew that they were heading this way because of that incident.
Yeah.
And their land will be taken off them. And not, so Whirling knew that their land's going to be confiscated. The Whirling did not know that their land was going to be confiscated.